Welcome to Linglish World. Here is a simple and interesting English short story for beginners with easy vocabulary and a clear moral. The Honest Woodcutter. Once upon a time, there was a poor woodcutter. Every day, he went to the forest and cut wood. He sold the wood in the market and bought food. One day, he was cutting a tree near a river. Suddenly, his axe fell into the water. The woodcutter was very sad. He sat near the river and started crying. Just then, a fairy appeared from the river. She asked, "Why are you crying?" The woodcutter said, "My axe fell into the river. I am poor. I cannot buy a new one." The fairy went into the water and brought a golden axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. The woodcutter said, "No, this is not mine." Then, the fairy brought a silver axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked again. The woodcutter said, "No, this is not mine." Finally, the fairy brought his old iron axe. The woodcutter smiled and said, "Yes, this is my axe." The fairy was very happy with his honesty. She gave him all three axes: gold, silver, and iron. The woodcutter went home happily. Moral of the story: honesty is the best policy.